guys, now this part of the video, I'm going to show you step by step the formula to maximize your score in Write From Dictation. You know that Write From Dictation carries the highest mark. So how do I get the maximum score in this section? Step by step. So let's have a look. Let's have a look, guys. The actual answer is, okay, let's put that in front of you. This is one screen. I just want to show you. The actual answer is, we are confident that the profits will be higher next year. So the audio is, we will be confident that the profits will be higher next year. Now, step number one is that you take notes, of course. You take your notes, you write all the big words. So here the big words would be confident, we, profit, higher next year, as much as you can. Now, when you are writing the words down, the question that might arise that we say, look for the adjectives or look for the nouns and, just double them up. Or any words you feel that there might be plural, you add them up. So if you have a look here, so we are confident or confidence? Oh, not sure. Confidence sounds right, but is it confidence? You write both words. That's the extra yellow word that I colored in. The next thing is it profit or profits? I can easily make this word plural. Okay, make it plural. Add extra word in yellow. High or higher? Should be higher. Sounds higher, correct? But if you have a doubt, add the word high. Extra. Again, extra yellow word. Year or years with an S. Add extra word. You don't have to do it for each and every word, but this is every time you have a confusion, you add these yellow words as an extra word. Okay? Number two, look for the verbs. Do you think the verbs are correct? Look for the homophones. Homophones are words that sound similar. Okay, sound similar. Now, the words here that I added would be this or that. Did I hear this or did I hear the word that? Write them extra word, this and that. No problem. Or even these, if you feel like it. Add extra word. And then will or shall, confused. They're very similar. Add extra word. Okay, there's no problem. Just add extra word. The next step number 3. Now add the green words at the end. We call the common words, some people call it, but I call it the green words. Add the green words at the end. So if you can see here that after adding the homophones, adding the words with an S, feeling like maybe this needs an adjective, noun, maybe the verb with an ed, whatever the case, you add these extra words and then you add the green words at the end. All right, now pretty much I've covered everything, and that you should be spending all that in 1 minute 30 seconds. Finally, do check the tense. It should be in present tense or past tense. Check your spelling. Again, double time, just check the spelling. If you are happy with it, and then press that next button. And that's it. This is how you maximize your score. Try it in APEUni and see how you go. I'm sure you will get your score. Okay, you didn't know these rules before. I know that you haven't, because we've been doing these recent researches. It's not there, it's not out there. Try it and you should be able to get a good score. All right, so hopefully I helped you to make you understand how to go step by step, and I hope that you can apply it. All right, good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.